Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the GT line specification. This car comes in my favourite colour, which is the ultimate red. It features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. There's this lovely panoramic glass roof, 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted windows. You get reversing sensors as well as a colour reversing camera. Inside the car you've got the half leather interior with the red GT line style stitching. There's the 7-inch touchscreen that features 3D navigation as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. Some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 110 horsepower. It's done 15,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.